Hello, welcome to my Canadian country life. Thanks so much for stopping by. My name is Peaches. Here I share with you my day to day activities living in rural Canada. To experience country life vicariously through me, please subscribe to my channel and remember to hit that bell notification icon so you can be notified of new uploads. I truly hope that you'll find the content on my channel enlightening, inspiring, and maybe even a little entertaining. This morning I am making some oatmeal for the family, and I am using organic almond and soy because I don't drink cow's milk. There are other people in the family who drinks cow's milk, but I don't. So because I have to eat the porridge, I use organic almond and soy. Now, I will also be doing a ginger turmeric blend, which I usually do and put in mason jars. And I do that because I want to have the blend on demand so that it's convenient for me just to boil some water, get a little of the blend in my teacup, pour water on it, and I'm done. So I can get organic ginger to buy in the countryside. However, I get it at a better price when we go into the city. So usually I'll buy 2 or 3 bags of ginger. I'll take them home, clean them, and then I'll put them in plastic bags and put them in the freezer. That way, I keep them preserved so I can get them to use over time. So, the ginger that I'm about to clean right now, I think I paid about $12 for the 2 bags of ginger, and that should last me for at least a couple months.
Hen, Javon and Jadon, I have oatmeal for you guys.
Generally, I use as much as I can and save as much as I can. So when I'm finished boiling the turmeric and ginger fibers, I don't throw them out. Sometimes if I do ginger only without the turmeric, I'll use the ginger to make what I like to call ginger cakes, where I add a little organic cane sugar to it, boil it down, and then I will spread it out in a pinch sheet and let it dry out thoroughly, and then I'll just cut them up in bricks. And believe you me, the ginger is usually very, very strong still in those fibers. Otherwise, what I do, like I'm doing right here, I have some of the cakes, so to speak, that I made previously in these little muffin tins. So I'm plucking them out and putting them in plastic bags to put them in the freezer. And then the fibers that I just finished with, I'll put in those muffin tins, put them in the freezer, and when they get hard, I will take them out and also put those in plastic bags and keep them in the freezer. That way, when I'm cooking like stews and soups, and even sometimes when I'm making like smoothies, I'll just put one or two little ginger turmeric frozen muffins into whatever I'm doing, just to add a little dimension to the stew or the soup or the smoothie. Oh yeah, I used as much as I can. Thanks for watching, everyone. I hope this video was beneficial to you in some way. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.